Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 4000 PSI pressure washer. I already had this pressure washer for 6 months now, and this is a great pressure washer. I like how small it is, yet how powerful it is. So let me show you the different features that it has. So you can first see, this is the wand. It brings these 4 attachments, the 40, the 25, 15, and the 0° nozzles. It has a copper fitting right here, so it's very durable. The wand, very durable. You have your handle, which is right here. It has this lock nozzle here, just in case if your little one gets it, so they don't hurt themselves with this. So it's a good feature. It has this extra long 33-foot hose. It has a special coating on this hose, so it's not going to get pierced very easily. And it has this piece here, so that way it doesn't kink. So it doesn't break right there. It has all the convenient handles to store everything. It even has this foam cannon. So it's a big foam cannon, so you can store up to 500 milliliters of detergent in here. Here's your on and off button. This is where you attach your hose. On the back is where you attach your water hose here, and it has a very long power cord also. So you can see how long that this hose is. It's 33 feet long. So I have it in my backyard right here. So it goes all the way over here. So you don't even have to move this pressure washer from where you are, and you can walk around. So once you wet it, you disconnect it. So I already put my soap in here. So you're just gonna push it in place and twist it. And then you're gonna insert this in the wand. And now you're ready to put the detergent on the car. So let me show you how easily this pressure washer, the 0° nozzle, will clean up this algae on the floor. So with the 0°, it's a very precise pressure washer. You can see how it does very thin lines, but it's very powerful. And you can see how easily that this cleaned up all the algae. It's very good to use on the tough stains. So now I'm going to switch it to the 15° nozzle. This is also a very powerful sprayer. So let's see how well that this will clean up all this green algae from the concrete. So you can see I just have to go with one pass, and it's taking off all the algae, and it makes this work very easy to clean up. So this is also another very powerful nozzle. So next I'm going to show you with the 25° nozzle, and you can see how easily it is to change out the nozzles from one to the next. So this one, you get a wider spray to it. You can see, however, it takes a little bit more effort to clean up the algae. It still works well, but it just takes a little bit more. So this is very good to use to clean up your concrete or anything else that you need cleaning. So with the 0° nozzle, it's very powerful and it's very precise if you have the hard to reach places. This 15° gives you a little bit more of a sprayer on. And so I'm going to show you how easily this pressure washer cleans all the algae from the bricks. I'm using the 15° nozzle, so you can see all the dirt and grime are coming off of the bricks outside. It's very easy, and it cleans it very nicely and quickly. We can even clean the PVC fence with this. if you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great pressure washer. I like how compact it is, yet powerful. I like the 4,000 PSI. It's very powerful, and it does the job quick and easily. I also like how it has this extra long hose. It's 33 feet long. It comes with the foam cannon. You have your 4 nozzles. It has the 0, 40, 25, and 15 degrees. And the wand is very comfortable to hold, and it's lightweight, and it's made very well.